I'm sharing the best strategy for building your email marketing list. I'm Shameka Volkers, and I help business owners just like you with tips on email marketing campaigns, ads, landing pages, and blogs. If you'd like to see more content like this, go ahead and hit the like button. Building your list means you've collected email addresses so that you can send emails on a regular basis to people who need your products. Now, the best strategy for building your list is to send out a lead magnet, something that's related to your business. You send this for free in exchange for the email addresses. The lead magnet can be a free demo, a free trial of your products, or a free how-to guide. And once people opt into your email list, you can then promote your products on a regular basis. Emails that you can send includes stories, testimonials, education, or discounts. And once you start sending these emails out regularly, you'll be top of mind when people are ready to buy. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this to learn how to do marketing online for your small business.